Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Epic Games connection errors and network issues step by step. This method works for most login and connection problems, so let's get started. First, click on the search bar and type View Network Connections, then open it. Find your active network adapter, double-click it, then click Properties. Now select Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4, and click Properties. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Below that, choose Use the following DNS server addresses. Set the preferred DNS to 8.8.8.8 and the alternate DNS to 8.8.4.4. Then click OK. Next, go back to Search and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator, then click Yes. In the command window, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. After that, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter again. Once that's done, restart your computer. After rebooting, open Epic Games. The connection error should now be fixed. If this guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.